Hi, welcome back everybody, me Robert here, and in this video I will show you how you can compose a fully functional LangChain app without writing a single line of code. The latest release of our AI automation software, aitom8, comes with a LangChain Boilerplate that just requires you to declare the components that you need, and then it automatically creates the LangChain app for you. And note, your app is generated in native LangChain Python code, so you can run it anywhere and you can extend it to your needs. Additionally, you can run your app in a virtual environment without any manual interaction. We will look into LangChain in more detail in the following videos. You don't need aitom8 for that, but it helps you to get up and running very quickly. So if you like this content, please click the like button, the subscribe button, and also the notification bell below, so you guys can keep up to date with all of our videos. So without further ado, let's get to it! Alright, as you know, we run AI apps through aitom8 plugins. This allows us to optionally run these apps in virtual environments. Therefore, if we want to create a LangChain app, we first create an aitom8 plugin for it. And this is as simple as writing one command in the command line. We type aitom8, followed by the name of the LangChain app that we want to build. For example, my first LangChain app, followed by create plugin, and then we hit enter. Here we get the info that we have to provide a template which we want to choose to create this plugin. In our case, we want to provide the template LangChain Python app. So we run the command again and we add the template LangChain Python app here, and then we hit enter. This created the plugin successfully, and it tells us that we can install the app now with the command aitom8 my first LangChain app install. But before we install our first LangChain app, we look into the plugin directory, aitom8 plugins, and here we can see that my first LangChain app, this plugin has been created. It comes with several components out of the box, which are located here in the components directory. But we just open the .env file here. And here we can choose the environment in which we want to run this app. In this case, we use venv here, but of course you can choose conda here as well, like for all aitom8 plugins. But more importantly, you can enable the LangChain components that you want to use to build your LangChain app. This is just a small extract of the available components here in order to demonstrate how you can enable a component. In this case, we have enabled the HuggingFace local pipelines component here with the yes parameter. This means that our first LangChain app will load local models through HuggingFace pipelines. Now, in order to automatically create our first LangChain app, all we have to do is to run the command aitom8 my first LangChain app followed by install, and then we hit enter. This creates our first LangChain app by adding the selected components as modules to the Python code. Additionally, it installed all corresponding requirements. We now can look into our newly created first LangChain app by opening the directory aitom8 apps, and here we can find our app, my first LangChain app. Here we can find the main Python app, app.py, and also the automatically created HuggingFace components here. The Python app, app.py itself, imports basic Python libraries here, and it also imports the LangChain prompt template and the LLM chain. And here we can see that it also imported the HuggingFace pipeline components, which consists of HuggingFace pipeline from LangChain and these three functions from HuggingFace transformers. When we scroll down, we also can see that it imports a load model function from our local HuggingFace pipeline transformer module. which we use to load a local language model, local large language model here in the main function. And our first LangChain app also creates a prompt where it asks this model, what is the capital of France? Now, if we want to run our first LangChain app, all we have to do is to type aitom8, my first LangChain app, and then run. And then we hit enter. This runs our first LangChain app in a VMware virtual environment. This took a little while, but when it finished, it gave us the answer. The capital of France is Paris. That's all for today. If you like this content, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.